In life, we get to see some once-in-a-lifetime moments, but also some once-in-a-lifetime builds. The Tesla $5 billion Gigafactory is one of those. We all know the Tesla car, and those don't really need to jump into the 21st century. Elon Musk invented the all-electric creation, and both he and the brand Tesla have become household names since. The Gigafactory is just the next step in that exciting chain. With the Tesla now possessing the same levels of desirability as a new console, phone, or tablet, they're no longer a part of hipster jokes prized by the greats of today. But to find out what makes them so attractive, we need to look at where they're made. Today, we'll be looking into the future, and it starts with the Gigafactory. The name Gigafactory comes from the word giga, which is, to be honest, not surprising. A giga, as the tech lovers among you might already know, is a unit of measurement representing billions. As for factory, we're pretty sure that doesn't need an explanation. Tesla currently produces more batteries in terms of kilowatts than all the other car makers combined. A kilowatt is simply a measurement of 1,000 watts, which is a measure of power and energy. In terms of a battery, this might seem like a bad thing, but it couldn't be further from the truth. These aren't your everyday throwaway batteries that erode the environment, far from it. Tesla's mission is to hugely accelerate the world's transition into a state of sustainable energy for all, without killing the planet or costing the Earth, in more ways than one. Their main aim is clean and affordable energy, which is actually harder than it sounds to create, unless you have a lot of money, brains, and space. They plan on doing this through increasingly availability of products which use affordable electric. That gives access to more, and at a rate that makes it viable for those who don't understand the importance or just don't care. Elon Musk and Tesla are tackling the problem head-on, and their gigafactories are combining a long overdue need, mostly in terms of electric vehicles and cheap, sustainable energy products. Tesla doesn't aim to be small though, and they say they want to increase production to 500,000 cars per year, and that's where their main problem lies, or did. In order to achieve this epic milestone, Tesla would require today's entire worldwide supply of lithium-ion batteries, a significant and dangerous amount. Thus, the Tesla Gigafactory was born. It was born out of necessity to supply enough batteries to support Tesla's projected vehicle demand, but without killing the planet or the customer's bank balance. Construction and use is already underway in a particularly unique way, but we'll come to that later. First, it's time to look at what exactly they're producing. Currently, although there are more products to come, the Gigafactory produces Model 3 electric cars and a selection of battery packs. This isn't all though. On top of Tesla's energy storage options like batteries, power walls, and power packs, they have gigantic plans for a green future. Unfortunately, they're quite secretive about their innovative technologies. The Gigafactory building is particularly interesting because it's being built while functioning. It's being built in phases. This has been done specifically so that Tesla can start manufacturing from the get-go. The process is to use the finished sections and continue to expand on everything else thereafter. This is as clever as the technology itself, since it means they can pull off profit while expanding. Tesla says they expect the Gigafactory to be the biggest building in the world, or the biggest in general. That's a staggering goal, but let's face it, they're the ones to achieve such goals. Not only this, it will be entirely powered by renewable energy sources. The entire facility is designed to be a net-zero energy factory from the decks to the staff room. Currently, there are some that don't match this, but those will be gone upon completion. Tesla intends the factory to be powered primarily by solar, and installation of panels has already started, aligning with key goals. And talking of goals, there are some rather impressive ones that have been already met. In 2018, battery production at the first Gigafactory, called Gigafactory 1, reached its target of an annualized rate of roughly 20 gigawatts, making it the highest volume battery plant in the world. Impressive! By reducing the cost of batteries through scales of economy, buying bulk, Tesla has been able to make products available to more people at cheaper rates, and the more they grow, the better those prices will get. They say that this is what is allowing us to make the biggest possible impact on transitioning the world to sustainable energy. As mentioned, Tesla's cost of battery cells, components, and products which use the same technology will become significantly cheaper through bulk buying, innovative manufacturing, lowering waste, and optimizing and locating most manufacturing processes under one roof, and that roof is the Gigafactory. Earlier, we promised you two names that are big into the Tesla game, and here's the first. Leonardo Dicaprio, best known for his roles in The Great Gatsby and Titanic, most of his fans know he is a long-term advocate for green power, even having his own foundation to protect animals and vulnerable ecosystems around the world called the Leonardo Dicaprio Foundation. The nonprofit aligns with Tesla values, claiming dedicated to the protection and well-being of all Earth's inhabitants. The eagle-eyed, or should we say eagle-eared among you, might have noticed that we haven't referred to just one factory. Tesla operates 3 facilities as of 2020, and they're all Gigafactories. The first is Giga Nevada, which was previously known as the Gigafactory because it was based on another Gigafactory. This predecessor was the Tesla factory in Fremont, California. This building once belonged to General Motors, the makers of Chevrolet. The last but equally impressive is Giga Nevada started producing batteries. After looking at the sensational and sustainable builds, it's time to see a legend pay homage to the technology too. That brings us to our second celeb, Steve Wozniak, also known as Woz. Woz is the Apple co-founder along with Steve Jobs. Needless to say, he's a man who wants all of his equipment to not only be the best, but at the cutting edge of technology. His choice of Tesla is the Model X, just in case you were wondering. Thanks for watching. Which fact amazed you the most? And did you enjoy this video? If so, drop us a like, subscribe if you aren't already, and in the name of a better, brighter future, please share this with your friends. Peace out.